A horse named Bucky dozed off in the sun, legs twitching as he dreamed of winning a race. Suddenly, his snores sounded like a creaky barn door. Wheeze-snort, wheeze-snort, waking up the chickens. The rooster marched over, yelling, "Keep it down. You sound like a broken tractor." Bucky snorted mid-dream, accidentally blowing the rooster's feathers backward. Nearby, a mischievous goat seized the moment and nibbled Bucky's tail. The horse kicked wildly in his sleep, sending the goat flying into a haystack. Bucky woke up, looked around, and went right back to snoring. The farmer sighed. "That's the third nap this week with the goat incident."